Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can remove navigate to admin on a Shopify store. But before that, please to make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, why that appears, we're going to be discussing that first. So first of all, when you access your particular store on Shopify, for example, you are browsing Shopify and you have access your store separately in another browser. That means both of your accounts are connected. And then in the gray line at the bottom, you will find this option of navigate to admin, because technically you are connected with both of that, and it's making it easier for the owner for you to redirect you back to Shopify if you would like to go back. That's why the option exists. Now, the good thing about Shopify is that you won't be seeing that option or that notification kind of thing. It won't be available and shown to your customers. So if your customers who is browsing your store like the way you're doing so, they won't be able to see that, and so it's nothing to be worried about like that. Only the admin should be seeing that. But in case if you do not want that as well for you as well, you simply have to open your store in the new incognito mode, where you will be able to access your store without that particular notification of navigate to admin. So that is the possible solution for you to be doing so. Make sure to apply it and hope it helps as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.